Welcome to this week's video on CRISPR-Cas9 and its impact on the environment. As we know, CRISPR-Cas9 is a revolutionary gene editing technology that has been hailed for its potential to cure genetic diseases, improve agriculture, and advance human health. But what about its impact on biodiversity and ecosystems? Let's find out. So, how does CRISPR-Cas9 impact biodiversity and ecosystems? The impact can be both positive and negative. On the one hand, CRISPR-Cas9 can be used to create genetically modified organisms that can benefit the environment, such as crops that require less water or are more resistant to pests. On the other hand, the technology can also be used to create invasive species that can disrupt ecosystems and threaten native wildlife. CRISPR-Cas9 can also be used to modify the genes of fish and other aquatic animals. This could potentially help to restore populations of endangered species or make them more resistant to pollution and disease. However, it could also have unintended consequences, such as altering the natural behavior of these animals or creating new strains of diseases that could harm other species. What can we do to ensure that CRISPR-Cas9 is used responsibly and does not harm the environment? It's important that we have regulations in place to ensure that the technology is used responsibly and that its impact on the environment is carefully studied before it is released into the wild. We also need to ensure that the public is educated about the potential risks and benefits of CRISPR-Cas9 so that they can make informed decisions about its use. CRISPR-Cas9 has the potential to transform the way we interact with the environment. But it's important that we use this technology responsibly and with caution, so that we can protect our biodiversity and ecosystems for future generations. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it informative and helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel for more great content. By subscribing, you will be the first to know about my new
created using Powtoon.